Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. Here is your English teacher. This is Abdul Alim, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today, I am going to conduct an English language class for the student of class 1. Today's topic is use of plural form, exercise AB. Dear students, today lecture number 19 and SW 17. Now let's have a look. Write the plural form of the following. Number 1, this is exercise 1. This is a train. My dear students, that means you have to convert these sentences into plural form. First of all, this is singular. It is singular and you have to write plural. Okay, this and is singular, here plural are. These are trains. A train refers to plural trains. And number 2, that is a clock. Dear students, here that this is pronoun and it is singular pronoun. Okay, now you have to write plural. Those is are clocks. That is a clock. Plural sentence is those are clocks. Number 3, that is a doll. Same thing. That means this is singular pronoun. You have to write plural. Those is will be are. That means this is singular auxiliary verb and it is plural. And dolls. Those are dolls. Number 4, this is a shop. And here this plural, these are shops. These are shops. And number 5, that is a student. Here this is singular pronoun. You have to write plural. That plural, those are a student. Here will be students. Okay, I am repeating. This is a train. Plural will be these are trains. That is a clock. Those are clocks. That is a doll. Those are dolls. This is a shop. These are shops. That is a student. Those are students. This is singular, this plural, and pronunciation a little bit difference. This and here these. Okay, now exercise B, choose the right words. Here you have to choose which one is right from this. This is my uncle. Here you have to look. That means this is singular verb, is singular verb. That's why here will be singular pronoun. This is my uncle, singular pronoun, and this is my uncle. This refers to person or things who are or which are very near and very close to you. And this is my uncle. Number 2, that or those is my aunt. Same thing, there is a singular verb. That's why you have to write singular pronoun. That this is singular pronoun and those, these are plural pronoun. And same number 1, this is singular pronoun and this it is plural pronoun. Okay. And number 3, this is the classroom and it is singular verb. That's why we have to use singular pronoun, and this it is plural pronoun. Okay, here will be singular pronoun. This is the classroom. That means this classroom is very near, and it is just with you. And number 4, that or those is the playground. Here that is singular, those is plural. That's why here singular verb. And in previous exercise we have learned that is singular verb or plural verb. Here is singular verb. That's why we have to use singular pronoun that. Okay. Number 5, that or those are cats. Here are, dear students, here it is plural verb. That's why you have to use here plural pronoun. Here that or those, that means which one is plural pronoun? Those, it is plural pronoun. Those are cats. Number 6, these are dogs. Here are, you have already learned, this is plural verb. That's why you have to use plural pronoun. These are dogs. And next number, these or these are toys. Here same thing, that means plural verb. That's why it will be plural pronoun. These are toys. And last number, number 8, that or those are books. Here that is singular and those plural. And that or those, it refers, that means something that are very far. Okay, here will be plural pronoun, those. Okay, now I am repeating this or this is my uncle. Here will be this because singular verb. That, those is my aunt. Here will be singular verb because singular pronoun because of singular verb. Number 3, this is the classroom. This is the classroom. Singular verb, singular pronoun. Okay, that, those is the playground. Here singular verb. That's why you have to take singular pronoun. That is the playground. That, those are here plural verb. That's why you have to use plural pronoun those. Those are cats. That means those refers to many cats. These are dogs. Here plural verb. That's why you have to use plural pronoun. These are cats. These are dogs. That means many dogs. These or these are toys. Here will be plural pronoun these. That or those are books. Here will be those. Dear students, practice a lot, and I am giving you homework. Exercise A you will submit on Sunday. Listen to your parents. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.